Hey everybody, I hope you're ready for a treat this morning. I just got to Hawaii last night and this morning we are going on a short but steep hike. It's called the Crouching Lion and it is basically a very short steep hike that leads us to a rock formation called the Crouching Lion. It overlooks the Kahana Bay and I'm really excited to see what we got in store for us today. You ready? Let's go! This hike is the perfect wake-up call in the morning. At only 0.6 miles up, it gets your heart going right away. It just rained last night, so be careful. It's slippery when it's wet. We're about halfway up already. How you feeling, huh? The views are perfect. I can't wait until we get to the top. On the climb up, make sure you maintain 3 points of contact. That way you can catch yourself if you slip. That was a hike, but you finally made it to the Crouching Tiger. Enjoy the views. And I have to be honest, Oahu is way windier than I thought it was. Apparently these winds are known as the Hawaiian trade winds. They are something serious. I'm really excited to be here and I'm so glad you came along with me. Wow, look at this view. Welcome to Oahu. Hawaii has the most beautiful views. It was a tough hike, but we finally made it and the views are always worth it. Coming or what? Slowpoke. Last one down's rotten egg. What a hike. Did you have a good time? I really love the cool breeze here. I can't wait to figure out what else Oahu has in store for us and take you along with me, of course. Our first hike in Oahu is down. And like always, I'm relieved to see the cars at the end of the street. The cars in the parking lot are always a good sign. I can't wait to take you on our next adventure in Oahu. I finally made it back to the car and I found the culprit making all of the noise this morning.